Hello, welcome back to Reuben and
Mummy! Can you turn mine down a little bit?
yeah. So today we've got a new sound system.
To explain what you've got set up here?
So we've got a condenser microphone with a spare XLR in case we need it, and the main XLR plugged into the sound card, and then
Lift it up and show it.
don't know if we'll go too high.
There we go.
And then we've got the headphone monitors that's going into an external monitor,
Excellent.
which has both of our headphones plugged into. So yeah, I've got a spare XLR cable in case I need it, because I've had some trouble with these XLRs every now and then. And for Mummy, we've just got a USB microphone.
And what's that? They're the USB receivers.
For the
The keyboard and the
mouse, which I've only got the keyboard for. We've got the sound card plugged into the computer via USB-C. Hang on for the big bang. USB-C.
So do you want to do something and see if you can make some sort of effect to see if we can do it? Answer.
Yeah.
So we can adjust the headphones individually.
Yeah.
So
And I can change my voice. Yeah, well, it's different.
Yours is on a different thing.
yeah, that's fine. It's muted, isn't it?
It's not muted. It's not connected through this,
Okay.
so I can't hear it.
But I have a female voice regardless, so I was not incorrect, was I?
Hello.
Talk to me.
Hello. This is so weird.
So that's
have
the
a go?
effects we can do. Pardon?
Can I have a go?
Hello. How are you?
Shut up.
So what's your favourite thing that you've got set up here? Obviously, you need it all to work together, but what's the thing you're
Quite like the microphone
proudest
stand.
of at the moment?
The microphone stand. So we, to begin with, had this microphone, the blue snowball. Yeah. And then we moved on to that, which is now being used for Mummy's microphone until we get, or hopefully get, an extra microphone input. And for me, I've got a condenser microphone. Yeah.
Good. And the sound card was what you had for Christmas?
Yeah.
And you bought the headphone adjuster using your Christmas money?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You'll mainly be
So
heard
we're
through
moving
this.
forward from Q&A, little ones on the sofa across the room, to a full setup at the dinner table. Watch. Here he comes.
Yeah.
That's a bird. Ding ding ding. Oh, not so keen. Why? What's that one do?
It puts an effect on my microphone.
Sing then.
No,
Oh,
I'm not. No, just no.
okay.
It mainly changes the echo, because
So-
the echo's motorized.
So going forward, are we going to get more and more complicated?
No, it's not complicated.
No, are we going to get more and more complicated?
Yeah.
As time
Hopefully in
goes on?
February we'll have a mixer.
So soon he needs his own house. We'll see.
What, at 13?
Yeah.
So yeah, the extra large is simply unplugs. You should be able to hear me through that microphone slightly. It just simply unplugs, and the other one plugs in.
And what happens then? Is that just a spare one?
Yeah, there's a spare one in case that one starts to lag out. Then I unmute it, and you can hear me again
You're much louder.
through a different. Am I much louder?
Yeah.
I'm not very loud. Much louder than my headphones.
When you turn towards there, you are.
Oh, my headphones fell out.
They've got a long lead, haven't they?
Yeah.
About 3 meters, I think.
We don't want to explode though, do we?
No.
We've got a outside external thing.
Right. What are we looking at? Saying goodbye to your viewers now?
Well, it's only been 6 minutes. And my editing's going to drop down to like 2 minutes.
Oh, while you're editing, we need to have it all. All of the fun.
What?
Why are you going to edit it?
Because, like, adding in the intro and stuff.
Right.
Not actually
That'll
editing.
make it
like
longer,
that.
not shorter, surely.
Yeah, but if I want to cut out any bits. Sorry, guys. If I want to cut out any bits. My headphones always fall out.
You've got little ears.
Use the headset next time.
Yeah, you've got a headset. Show them your headset.
I'm gonna go and get my headset. Is that really loud?
No, it's fine. It's there, your headset.
I know, but I need to get up to go and get it. Some music on.
Very, very tangled.
Go on then.
And we're back. Have you got your new headset?
Yeah, but it's over there, all tangled.
Far too tangled. Next time.
Yeah.
So what are we going to say then?
That's not what we're gonna say. That's not what we're gonna say.
How about things you're hoping to add to your setup?
So, I've got some ideas.
Right.
For my birthday, I've asked for a mixer, lots of money. And a side pack, so when we use this, we can just plug a pack into it. I'm trying to talk.
I know. I'm adding the sound effects as required.
So yeah, one of these inputs will be put into an external pack, which you can just wear on your side, and I can actually walk around without having to take out my headphones.
Excellent. So be all set.
Although my headphones fall out anyway.
How many birthdays have you got?
Hopefully 100.
You might be set by the time you're 18.
And then what else have I asked for?
All the cables.
Yeah, all the cables.
All the cables.
My headphones are unplugged. No, there we go.
So
More
people
of
have
these
been asking
cables.
for ideas for Reuben's birthday, and the answer is I don't know, because really I've just got a list of cables. Haven't I?
Yeah.
Right. Probably time to wind this up, I think.
Do you?
Yeah. I mean the
More of these cables.
I mean the show, not the cable.
Oh.
And you can wind up all your cables. The problem with a decent setup is the time it takes to set up and then set down.
Okay. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for being
We'll
there
see you in the
with
next video. I'm just
Reuben.
saying it just for block by, aren't I? We'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!